Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue many of you might have encountered while installing the Desk Director portal. Some of you might have experienced difficulties installing the Desk Director portal due to antivirus programs causing some interference without any heads-up. For instance, WebRoot, a widely used antivirus program, has been known to silently disrupt the installation flow. To solve this issue, we're going to employ a technique called whitelisting. Essentially, we'll tell the antivirus to give the green light to specific paths during installation. Here's how to do it. First, open up your antivirus settings. Then, navigate to the exclusions or whitelist section. Add the paths we've listed and save your changes. You should be good to go. So there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to breeze through the Desk Director portal. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.